Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart barcode scanner for an easy guide. First, open the Walmart application on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the search bar at the very top of the screen. You will see a small barcode icon located to its right. Simply tap on this icon to activate the scanner. This quick step brings you closer to instantly checking prices and product details right from your device. It makes shopping much more efficient. Once the scanner is active, a camera view will appear on your screen, ready to capture product details. Gently hold your device about 6 to 8 inches away from the item you wish to scan. Make sure the entire barcode is clearly visible within the designated frame on your screen. The scanner works quickly, so a steady hand helps. You will hear a small beep or see a green confirmation, indicating a successful scan has occurred. Immediately after a successful scan, the app presents a detailed product page. You will see the current price, often including any sales or discounts, displayed prominently. It also shows if the item is in stock at your selected store, along with its precise aisle location. This feature is incredibly useful for comparing prices between different sizes or brands before you even reach the checkout. It truly empowers your shopping choices. For extra convenience, you can add scanned items directly to your digital shopping list within the app. This helps keep track of everything you need, even for a busy grocery trip. It is also perfect for price checking those as-is items or clearance deals to ensure you are getting the best value. Utilizing this simple tool can save you several minutes per shopping trip, making your Walmart visits smoother and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.